So this video is created because of I need to tell you about the partial question that you can try out after you complete all the video for chapter 8 for vectors. Alright, so for year 2020 and onwards, right, from year 2020, they actually have a change in the maths syllabus, right? So for chapter 8 vector, they bring the previous AS syllabus into this A2 syllabus and they remove a part, okay, of the original A2 syllabus from uh, from our syllabus now. Understand what I said now? So they actually remove a part of the syllabus from year 2020. Okay, so that's why if you are going to try out the partial question from the previous year, you might face some problem, okay, to solve all the question. So here I'm going to tell you what kind of question that you can skip. All right, so when you want to try all the partial question, so in the question itself, if you see any word or any question related to plane, right, then you can try to skip it. So as an example, you are having like this one, they tell you that the plane P has equation, okay, of this, and then given that the L intersect P is plane, right? So that means this kind of question you don't need to do. All right, so again, find the equation of the plane. So this question also involves plane. You no need to do also. So you can skip all the question that involve the plane. All right, so they already removed this part of the syllabus from the original one. Okay, so that's why when you want to try the partial question, you have to skip it. So I show you a few more example. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so for question number 2, not all question you no need to try lah, but you need to filter out yourself. Okay, so like this one, line is A, B, C, D, both are line, you can do it. Prove that the lines A, B, and C, D, you can also do it. Okay, then this one, a point to a line, you can also do it. So question number 2, you can do it on your own. All right, no need to skip. Then if you look at part number 3, okay, so very obvious, you can see that there are two planes. Okay, then the acute angle between two planes, so you can skip. All right, then find a vector equation for the line L. So what is the line L here? So again, line L also related to the plane. It is the line intersect with plane, right? So you cannot do it also because it is related to the plane question. So you can skip. So question number 3, you can skip the whole thing. All right, so this is how you filter it. So you read the question to try and have a look whether it involves plane or not. So like example, the question number 4. Okay, so you can see that they are talking about two lines here, line L and M. Okay, so line should be no problem, right? Okay, so they ask you to show that L and M intersect, find the position vector of their point of intersection. So part number 1, you can do it. And then when you go to part number 2, they are asking you to find the equation of the plane. So you see the word plane, right? That means you can skip the question. All right. Okay, so you do the same thing for the rest of the question. So I believe that you might need to skip quite a number of questions from here actually. All right, so as long as you see the question that involve plane, then you just skip it because we never learn this anymore in the syllabus from year 2020 onwards.